This is a recording showing how to do a withdraw operation on Onyxpay. So for withdraw, I mean the client is actually withdrawing from an agent. So you have an agent here and you have a client here who wants to withdraw some of his assets. And so check the detailed balance. You can see here $100 US, that is or US dollar, that is Onyx USD. You have Onyx Kenya shillings, and then you have Onyx Uganda shillings. So in other words, this agent can withdraw any of these amounts. So I'll come here, do withdraw, and in this case I want to withdraw all US dollar. So that's all US dollar. Put amount, I can put any amount like 50 Onyx USD. Create a withdraw request there. So withdraw request is successfully created. So you have to send these to agents. I'll come here, choose a country of the agent. I choose this agent here. Then remember, when you're doing a withdraw request, you can actually either send the request to all agents or send to a specific agent. So in this case, I send to a specific agent. Okay. Request is successfully sent to agents. So let's see what agents get. On the customer requests, under the tab active withdraw request, the agent is actually supposed to see the people withdrawing, and you can see here Joseph Mutai, who is a client, has actually opened a withdrawal request of 50 or USD. So the agent can either cancel or confirm. Then the agent in this case confirms that. We'll unlock that using the wallet's password. Okay. Then again, let's understand the logic when you're doing withdraw. So essentially, when you're doing withdraw, this is what is happening. It means that you, as a client, you have some assets in your Onyxpay account and you want to exchange them for fiat. So actually, when you're doing a withdraw, you are sending your assets to an agent, and the agent is actually in turn giving you fiat or cash money. And so if you look at it from that angle, this is the side of the client. So the client here has to confirm again that he wants to deal with this agent. So the client chooses the agent again, unlocks that procedure using the password. That's it. You have successfully chosen the agent. And so I want you to get this. When you're doing withdraw, it means then that you're sending assets to the agent and the agent is actually supposed to give you the money. Now, in other words, the client is supposed to click the button perform withdrawal. If you perform withdrawal, then the agent is supposed to give you the cash. So in this case, this is what happens. The agent is supposed to send you the money or to hand over the money for the client to click perform withdrawal. Understand this. The agent is supposed to send the client money, and then the client at that point is now supposed to perform withdrawal. Now, in the event that the client does not receive money from the agent, the client is actually supposed to click the button complain. Now, for the agent, you don't have to worry. Anytime a client chooses you to perform withdrawal request, then after 24 hours, if the client has not clicked the button perform withdrawal and also has not clicked the button complain, the assets will move automatically from the client's account to the agent's account. So as an agent, you don't have to worry. Anytime a client chooses you to perform withdrawal, go ahead and send the client the money or hand over the cash to the client. Why? Because after 24 hours, even if the client has not clicked the button perform withdraw, the assets will automatically move to your account. Now, in the event that the agent does not hand over cash or sends cash to the client's settlement account or hands over by hand, then the client can click the button complain so that the admin can resolve the issue. So now when it comes to withdraw, then once a client agrees that they want to deal with a certain agent, the agent should go ahead and hand over the cash to the client, because after 24 hours, if the client has not clicked the button perform withdraw, the assets will move automatically to the agent's account. So in this case, the client will click perform withdraw, will unlock this with a password, and that's it. Remember, this account had 109 equivalent worth of US dollars, and we have withdrawn 50 OUSD. And you can see here, congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn 50 OUSD from your account. If we check the dashboard here, you can see here the balance has gone down. And if you check, let's see here, you can see the balance has actually gone down. If you check on the side of the agent, this is it. You can see here withdrawal of 50 OUSD has actually been completed, and you can see the charge there. If you check on the side of the client, the same thing, withdrawal of 50 OUSD has actually completed. So this is what happens, is that once you perform withdrawal, obviously as a client your balance reduces, but as an agent, if withdrawal happens, then your balance increases. That's how you do a withdrawal operation on Onyxpay. Thank you for watching.